Wiffy's.
Wiffy's Christmas present.
Open it up. Open this up. That's Wiffy. Wiffy's in there.
Open it up, Wiff.
Open it up.
Here, Wiff, open
Hold on.
it up. Here, Wiff, open it up.
Open it up. Here,
Open
open it
it
up.
up, Wiff. Open it up. You're almost there.
Get that open.
She's licking the...
See better from over there?
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
She's old but intelligent. It's like meat.
What is that? What is that?
Now she's trying to rip the box open. What is that, Wiff? She's tearing the box open.
She is. She's opening the whole box.
What is that, Wiff?
Wiffy present.
What is that, Wiff?
There are cookies in there. Doggy cookies.
What are those, Wiffy? Hey, look, she's even picking them out, too. The ones that she wants to try out first.
Yes, she is.
Gotta rip the cardboard a little
Getting
bit.
pissed.
She's like trying to eat the paper.
Go ahead.
What is that, Wiff? What is that, Wiff?
There's vanilla woofers and peanut butter Oreos or something.
Look, she's even ripping the bag.
That's because you gotta get what's in there. Get them cookies, man. So help me out here.
They smell
Oh,
like...
she got it open.
Yeah, she is.
You're gonna get them cookies. You're gonna get them cookies.
She's like, but why haven't you opened any presents?
The tongue's going.
What's in there?
Oh no, she's licking them all.
Whoa, she said, I don't think so. I'm just gonna help you open it, really, so you can get in there good, get a cookie out.
There we go.
Ah, you got a
Alright.
cookie.
You got
Oh, got a doggy
chip
cookie.
Yeah. Look, she even went after the chocolate
digging
chip
on it?
ones too.
Yeah.
Is it crunchy?
I don't know. Yeah, it's all
She even
crumbled up.
actually
Looks like chips the whole way.
She even knew which ones were the chocolate chip ones and everything. Look, she's even holding on to it like, don't you dare touch it.
Yeah.
Cute. You're gonna love my rock. It's so cute. Well, so far. Wiffy liked them cookies, huh? I bet like Wiffy's like,
She's got the arm up here so nobody takes
Yeah, she does.
it.
She's guarding it with that hand.
She's just annihilated this bad.
Yeah. Set that up there to open up like the Oreos and the woofers.
well, let her open it. Look, now she's all angry at you. She's like, hey, where'd my chocolate chip ones go?
Oh, what?
Wiffy's gonna get a new one, huh? Look, it's like, hey, where did they all
She finished
go?
the other one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I give her one?
Yeah.
Oh, they're even like giving her little Oreo cards. Ooh, tasty. Oh, they even got cream in them and everything, huh?
Yeah, I want to give her a vanilla woofer.
Look, it's even got cream.
Yeah.
You're living the life, huh? I love how she's like, there's a piece too. kind are those? Vanilla.
Vanilla wafer. Ooh, it's a vanilla cookie. Say please. Please. Okay, press the button. Okay, because I only got one hand. Cookies.
Videotape like what the name and the names of the cookies are. Videotape the names of the cookies.
Why?
Why?
Because it'll be funny. Vanilla wafers.
Okay.
Good luck with that one. 2 Smart cookies.
Duh.
Lickin' Crunch. And she literally tore them apart. Little crumbs. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, look, she's eating all the crumbs. Yummy, yummy,
Here,
yummy.
watch this, watch. Hey, Whiff. This. Press the button. Press the button.
Press the button.
Press the button. Press the button. Yeah. Good girl.
Cute. If only it was Christmas, that would have been like awesome.
It's Christmas season.
Yeah,
It's
but
Christmas for Wiffy.
Eve.
Cause what?
I want Christmas vacation.
Duh.
Not presents.
I
Not
don't get. Yeah.
family. Just Christmas vacation. No more school.
I just like, I don't know. Never mind. I'm erasing your mind of what you just heard from me. Do you know what I just said?
What?
Love how she just calms it down. Well, we might need the air freshener.
No, they're just cookies.
I know.
Waiting for you after that Taco Bell.
I mean, I just did that to make it funny.
I know my butt stinks.
Need an air freshener?
Yeah.
I already heard you fart.
Not in here.
Yeah, huh? Over there.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
No, I
Yeah,
did a good one on the computer though.
Unless that was my mom and I heard her over here.
No, I don't think.
That big mess all over the floor.
Cookie crumbs.
Crumbs,
She'll vacuum them up.
Yeah, sure. Go.
Here, want to tear up some wrapping paper? Tasty.
She knows there's nothing else in there. She saw us take them all out. Those were yummy.
They were tasty though. Was that fun? That was challenging this
Merry
time,
Christmas,
huh?
Merry Christmas.
Last year you had easy presents. This year you got tough ones, huh? Tough. Tough, tough, tough.
Is that you being all stinky, Wiffy?
What happened to her butt?
you
Like,
fart?
what happened to her butt? Like that part
And then she
all.
got all that hair growing there.